Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating prerequisites, credentials, network reachability, and service status. Check that the service account has proper rights, attempt a quick test login to reproduce the error. Then ping the host and verify the specific port, like port 1433, remains open through firewalls, record latency. Open the service logs and copy the exact error codes and timestamps because those guide the next steps. Once done, you'll have precise evidence to target the root cause quickly. Now dive into diagnostics. Follow the chain, application, connection pool, API, then database to locate the failing layer. You'll inspect stack traces and dependency errors, looking for timeouts or auth failures. Restart components in a controlled order, clear cache, recycle DB connection pools, then restart the application so connections rebuild cleanly. Use Telnet and Netstat to confirm open sockets and, if intermittent, run traceroute and capture packets to spot drops. Once you identify the failed layer, plan a targeted fix. Finish by applying the corrective action matched to the root cause. Rotate credentials and update connection strings if auth failed, or modify firewall rules and port mappings if blocked. After implementing the fix, monitor health metrics and logs for 15 to 30 minutes to ensure the service stays connected and error rates drop. If it still disconnects, increase logging verbosity, gather a full log bundle with timestamps and request ID, and escalate with reproducible steps so engineers can act fast. One tip: always capture a current packet trace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.